How to fix your TikTok bookmarks not saving. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. By the end of this video, you're going to be understanding how to fix it. The first thing you want to do is try bookmarking the video again. I know it sounds very generic, but you want to simply try tapping on the share and tapping on add to favorites one more time. And then go ahead and check your bookmarks by going into your profile menu and simply go ahead and look for favorites, which is going to be this little icon. If it is not there and the bookmark didn't save, so let's fix it. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data just to ensure a stable internet connection. You can also go to your TikTok profile and then menu, settings, and then go to free up space and clear cache. Always make sure that you have the latest version of the application installed. You can simply go to your App Store or Play Store depending on the device you're using and simply update it. If it's still not working, try restarting the application or even your phone and try saving it again, which should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.